Thank you for joining us at TRENDnet TV. My name is Joe, and I'll show you how easy it is to connect 2, 3, 4, and even more video monitors to your laptop or desktop PC. With more monitors and viewing space, it's easier to manage your visual content. Whether you are at work, using numerous applications, or at home, downloading music, playing online games, and surfing the web, having additional monitors to display all your contents will make multitasking a more enjoyable experience. To get started, you will need different products to add monitors to either a laptop or a desktop. You'll also need minimum system requirements. Check your computer to make sure it has the minimum requirements. A CD-ROM reader, one USB port for each new monitor, 1.2 GHz CPU or above, 512 MB of memory per monitor, 30 MB of available disk space, Windows 2000 or above, LCD monitor with a DVI or VGA port. You've checked your system and everything is okay. So let's start by adding monitors to your desktop. We're starting with a typical desktop setup with a single monitor, and we'll add 3 additional monitors. This means you need 3 free USB ports on your desktop. This desktop doesn't have additional USB ports, so this means that we'll start by installing one 5-port USB PCI adapter to provide the needed USB ports. How do you do this? You locate a free PCI slot on the back of your computer, you remove the protective slot cover on the outside of your desktop, slide in a 5-port USB PCI adapter, model TU2-DVIV, into the open PCI slot and screw it into place. And you're ready to start the fun part of adding 3 additional monitors. To add 3 monitors as shown, we will need 3 USB to D.I.Y adapters, model TU2-DVIV. Let's start by looking what's included when you open the TU2-DVIV package. It includes the TU2-DVIV adapter, a driver CD-ROM, a multilingual quick installation guide, a mini USB to Type-A USB cable, a DVI to VGA adapter. Let's get started on the installation. Step 1. Insert the driver CD-ROM into your CD-ROM drive. Step 2. Click Run autorun.exe. Step 3. Click the Install Utility and Driver button. Step 4. Choose the desired language, read the Software and User License Agreement, and then click I accept. Step 5. Click Yes to restart your computer. Step 6. Remove the CD-ROM from the CD-ROM drive of your PC. Step 7. Connect the mini USB end of the USB cable to the TU2-DVIV. Step 8. Connect the Type-A end of the USB cable to any available USB port on your computer. Step 9. Plug the monitor cable to the TU2-DVIV. Use a DVI to VGA adapter for VGA monitors. Step 10. Repeat steps 7 and 8 for each additional adapter. A maximum of 6 adapters can be connected. On your system's tray, right-click on the utility icon. Select the desired settings to change. So, we got 2 monitors working. Let's repeat the steps to connect the 2 remaining monitors. Now, we got all 4 monitors working, and you can drag your application over all 4 monitors. And the display utility that manages your monitors allows you to control several viewing options. So let's take a look at the TU2-DVIV utility. You can find the utility icon in the system tray. Right-click on the icon to open the utility. From the menu, you can change screen resolution, change the color quality, change the screen orientation from 0, 90, 180, and 270 degrees. You can also switch from extend mode to mirror mode. The setup that I have shown you used the extend mode. As mentioned, this extends your viewing space over several monitors. Extend mode is ideal for workstation applications. Mirror mode repeats the image shown on your original screen to other monitors. Mirror mode is commonly used in retail display applications or at reception areas. I have just changed our setup to a hybrid extended mode and mirror mode setup. The first two computers are in mirror mode and the last two are in extended view. We have gone through the full installation process for a desktop. A laptop is similar to a desktop, but for additional USB ports, you need either the USB PC card adapter, model TU2-DVIV, or a USB hub such as the 7-port USB hub TU2-700. We have gone through the full installation process for a desktop. A laptop is similar to a desktop installation. For this laptop, we installed the USB to DVI VGA adapter, model TU2-DVIV, directly to the two free USB ports on the laptop. This setup is great for people on the go. You simply have to pull out the USB connections, and when you get back to the office, simply plug them back to enjoy 3 screens in extended mode. I hope you enjoyed this do-it-yourself video on how to add monitors to your computer. On behalf of TRENDnet, this is Joe saying goodbye till our next DIY.